boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. I hope you are well, my friends, you and your family and your friends during this COVID-19 period. It's a trying period for the country. I'm in America, my friends. I know it's a trying period for you wherever you are in this beautiful world of ours. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to you, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I put it in black and white, my friends, so you can go to your local library after this COVID-19 period. You can go to your local bookstore and you can pick up books by Mickey D, D-E-E, my friends. Written a lot about the marijuana sector, which is going to bounce back, my friends. It's going to bounce back around the time that we have some legislation here in America. So look for a bounce back around the election time. Until then, my friends, we've been saying that the ETFs have been value buys, my friends. There are some stocks out there. If you didn't look at our last video, I was over at Planet 13 in Las Vegas, and we did talk, it was a couple days ago, we did talk about a baby knockout. We talked about two baby knockouts, one in the uranium area and one in the cannabis sector. And both of those, my friends, will be winners in the long run. We believe that the cannabis stock, the baby knockout, I compared it to a stock in the 90s that James Dines introduced to me at 8 cents. It was Cisco Systems. It was the guts of the internet. It was the infrastructure. And we're looking for a play like that in the marijuana cannabis sector. And that particular baby knockout just may be the one. You never know, my friends. You never know. That was on our last video at Planet 13 with where we introduced two baby knockouts, the uranium and the cannabis baby knockouts. The uranium baby knockout is going to be a big time winner also in the Saskatchewan area up in northern Athabasca Basin, up in northern Canada. A really prolific area for uranium and gold and those type of things up there, minerals. It's going to be a great knockout. My friends, today though, did we have a great day? Was it a good day today? It was a great day, my friends. Especially you guys that took a look at, it was April 5th when I did a video. And you can look back at April 5th, it's there. I told you about 3 Bitcoin miners that were under $1 that we thought would survive this happening event coming up. It's the 3rd time this thing has happened. And we thought that these 3, especially our baby knockout, we've been rolling with Hive blockchain technologies for a while. You know, Frank Holmes, like I said, 25 years ago, he was a straight shooter. He's a straight shooter now. We thought that he would be able to make those decisions to take Hive blockchain to the next level. And my friends, he has made one of the best decisions, I believe, it's playing out right now, and we'll see. We'll actually see when Ethereum 2.0 comes out there, because he was doing forward thinking then, and I was right. I was right with him. I said, "Oh, that would be great if it plays out like that." Let's see if it plays out like that. It's playing out like that, my friends. Today, Hive was what, over 15% or so, up over the 30 cent USD. This is not the first time we've been here, my friends. As you know, about 35, 36 cents. That would be maybe 50 cents or so Canadian. Look for a pullback, my friends, like it did before. It was a violent pullback here a couple months ago. But my friends, we're in at 8 cents or so. 10 cents or so is when most of us got in. Definitely under 12, 13 cents USD. Most of us are in. So you're up over, 50, 75, 100% or so. A lot of you are there. People have asked me, Mickey D, how should I play this going into the happening next week on next Tuesday? My friends, I personally, I'm going to hold on to my Bitcoin type stocks. You know, we play it from a stock. We don't buy the actual Bitcoin. We don't have wallets or anything. Some of us do, but my friends, I've I concentrate and I focus on the stocks, the miners that are producing this Bitcoin. And so far, my friends, we've been successful. We have two, three, all three of the miners are up right now. And you can take a look at that video and you can see what the other two are. But one, they were all under $1 at one time. Like I said, they were all under $1. They were all 50, 55 cents or so in the last year or so. Now one is $1.50 and the other one is cracked over $1, $1.10 or so. It's up 26% today, and the other one's up on what? One was up what, 30%? The other was up over 20%. They were up today, and all because this happening coming up next week, and Paul Tudor Jones buying into Bitcoin, his firm or so, going a hedge fund going into Bitcoin big. That's been a difference also, and the media is going to blow that up because he's a name out there buying into Bitcoin. And anytime some big name buys into Bitcoin, you know what happens. These stocks, they catch fire, and that's what's happening right now, my friends. But be mindful, my friends. Our lunch money is out there on the line. And when I say lunch money, guys, I'm talking about lunch movie money. I'm talking about you, a husband and wife. I'm talking about maybe 2 kids. I'm talking about a nice movie, a nice dinner at some. That's going to cost you what? $150, maybe $200. Let's say it costs you $150. My friends, we're talking about 1,500 shares of a 10-cent stock for that $150 or so. Now, if you were, let's take an example. Look at Hive Blockchain. Let's take an example of Hive Blockchain. If you bought Hive Blockchain, if you bought 1,500 shares, let's just say at 10 cents, it was $150. That was your lunch money, your dinner money. You sacrificed that one week. My friends, that now at 30 cents is $450. So just say you bought 2,000 shares, okay, at 10 cents. I mean, that cost you a couple $100, right? That now is $600. So my friends, you can play it how you want to play it. You can take money off the table right now if you're up big and you think this thing is going to be a sell on the news event come next week, which it could possibly be. Look at 2019. Every time a marijuana stock had earnings, it was a sell on the news, right? Wall Street is, Wall Street is famous for sell. You've listened to the scoop long enough. These things sell on these big time news events. It's a crowded trade, my friends, and we're way up. But guess what? I'm one of those crazy guys out there. That's what we like to get in super early. So when I get in super early, like a Hive Blockchain where I'm in big at like 8 cents, and then I know that it's going to go up and it's going to come back down. But my friends, I'm looking at the long run on this one. I'm going to ride it out for the most part. Sure, if Sunday or Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Bitcoin, Friday, Saturday, the weekend, Bitcoin just has a party and goes crazy and our stocks go crazy. Sure, on Monday, I'm going to take some off the table before the Tuesday news, my friends. That's a possibility that these things, Bitcoin goes up and down. Ethereum's the same way. So there's a possibility these things will go bum crazy, So we got to be mindful of that. And that's the way I'm going to play it, and that's the way I'm going to look at it, my friends. With that lunch money, well, who knows? After it comes down, I may double up on lunch money again, my friends. Not super crazy out there. We'll double up on that. But my friends, also, our uranium stocks have been going up, inching up. Even though uranium, the spot price has taken a little pause here last few days or so, we're still up over $34 a pound on the spot price. So we're doing excellent, my friends. I can recall, my friends, it was March 24th. March 24th. It's my dad's birthday. I told my dad we were eating, I said, Dad, I plugged my nose and I brought some uranium stocks today. And my dad, he's, okay, I hope it works out for you, son. Yeah, pat on the back. Go ahead, do your thing. After dinner, it's his day. And uh, my dad, he's always he's always is positive for you. He's in your corner. Dad's in my corner. So I remember telling him that day I plugged my nose and I bought these uranium stocks, and I'm glad I did. Some of those of which I doubled up on some of those that are in here, my friends, because I think we're going to have a super super bright future with some of these uranium plants. This is a mini book, my friends. I've got a bonus gold section in the back. There's some gold stocks in the back and the marijuana stocks also. But this little mini book, if you don't have a copy, you can get one, Amazon.com. You can get the audio book, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. But that is something that I believe is going to really jump off. And I've said that in November, around, I've said the holiday season, we're going to have a really big holiday season, my friends. But I have a couple other shows planned for you. One thing I have planned for you coming around the corner, my friends, is a spin-off, a spin-out that in 2018, it's forgotten stocks. They're in our portfolio or something. They're forgotten. This particular company, I did do a show with the great writer Lawrence Stripling. We did a show, and he was talking about that particular stock. And this particular stock, this is a stock that we got free in our account from one of our marijuana stock spinoff. This stock, you guys are familiar with Zoom, and you guys are familiar with what's going on right now. And if you're not, my friend, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends. Do me a favor. I need 100 thumbs up, my friends, today. I need 100 thumbs up today. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. Don't be lazy on me, because I'm working for you. I'm working for you. So give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends. Also, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Got a lot of new subscribers here lately. Thank you very much, my friends. Also, that PayPal donation button, it's not broken, my friends. It works. So I would like for you guys to chime in on that too. Anything your heart desires, you can give 50 cents, my friends. Anything your heart desires, and we'll make that happen. And I will be very thankful to you, my friends, when it comes to that. So I thank you very much. But we're going to talk about a spinoff, right? That's now $1 and a quarter or so. That particular spinoff, I believe, and Stripling and one of my best friends, a Wall Streeter, Ron Jones, I've been consulting with him and told him about this little song. We're all looking for that next Zoom play that's going to pop his head or her head out. And with Zoom, you guys familiar with Zoom, right? Everything is being done right now in telecast. You can do the students and the teachers and all that stuff. But Zoom doesn't have the capabilities that our baby, it's not a baby knockout because we got it free. So baby knockouts are generally 25 cents and below, and they have the ability to dominate the whole industry, the whole sector and stuff. Well, this is not a baby knockout. This is something we got free. And a spin-off and a spin. We'll talk about those spin-offs and those spin-outs in these industries, especially in the marijuana industry later on, my friends, because there's some things we hoped. I was hoping, and I was knocking on the door of Aurora, asking them to do another spin-out and spin-out before they did this cockamamie 1-for-12 trade or something, a reverse split or something that they're doing next week or something. Oh, so it's Aurora, new management. I'm through with you, man. But anyway. And I'm one of your biggest supporters, guys. I was there from day one. I mean, Cam. From day one, guys. Come on. But anyway, they're in a little hot water. But I'm going to do them. And another company that did, we have this company could challenge Zoom. And this company could be the #1 company in that space. It's a baby knockout. Also, you guys know we have that other company that has 5 tests in motion right now as far as COVID-19 and curing for animals. You guys know I'm Applied DNA Sciences. That company right there could be a super duper winner. And they were baby knockouts that were featured on the scoop here in the last year. Well, I can't say the last year for the spinoff, because the spinoff was done in 2018, but it's lingered in our accounts and stuff. You got free shares for that one. That was a spinoff of I'll tell you about that company. I know who it is, but I want to save that for another show, my friends, because I think the next couple of days we're going to walk around. Green Thumb Industries. I got to pay them a visit, find out what's going on at their facility. Also, who else? We'll do Green Thumb, and then we'll look at some of the other areas there. Maybe Curaleaf or something. Maybe MedMen or something. We'll find out if there's any action during this COVID-19 period. If anything is going on right now, we'll walk around. We'll do a visual. We'll find out if there's any foot traffic or anything. We'll do that here, my friends, in the next couple of days. Those things where you drop the cameras and you're in the car and security's kicking you away and all that kind of stuff. Security's telling you to leave, don't come back here anymore. They don't want any pictures, all that kind of stuff. We'll play around with it. We'll see what's going on, my friends, and we'll do our little investigative work. So, this stock I was telling you about, technology is what it was. It was a technology spinoff. That's good. I'm going to tell you about it, my friends. But right now, what you need to know is Hive and some of these Bitcoin type plays that we play, and Ethereum type plays that we play on a stock game. We play the stock game. People aren't aware of us yet. They're just out there buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is fine. It's fine. You're going to make a lot more money. But the game that we play, stocks that are in companies that are doing well and have good management and are good and sound companies like we have, as Bitcoin goes up, they have a lot of Ethereum and a lot of Bitcoin. So their value will go up. It's just another way of playing it, my friends. That's what we get down here on The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor, my friends. Thank you very, very much. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends, that those buttons work, especially that PayPal donation button. Thank you very, very much, my friends, in advance. And we look forward to I look forward to getting out there and getting in some of that heat tomorrow. And we'll bring that to you and let you know exactly what's going on with all that heat and stuff, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Friends, be careful. Also, uniform of the day, you guys. I'll be wearing a mask tomorrow. Probably gloves and the whole nine. So once we get out there, it's dangerous out there. This stuff is starting to hit the western part of the United States now. So it's like a wave, man. It's just like going through the world and stuff. It's pretty rough, But you take care of you and your family, my friends. Any of the books, Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook, my friends, is out there. Hope to be having some new t-shirts also coming your way. We'll see how that goes, my friends. But thanks you for supporting The Scoop. Love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself.